Hi, it's me again for this story with my bunny. So this is the last, and I'm going to place my bunny here.
No swimming, no surfing, no fun.
So let's get started.
Really, Dean? This is where you want to spend your summer
Oh gosh, here is my bunny. So I don't know, please. So yeah, going to that place where she wanna go. Yeah. I just want to let in this video help you with my bunny. So yeah, this will be the last part of tour with my bunny. So bye bye. Oh, wait. No. So, oh gosh, kadaman. Get out. So bye bye.